In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive folders in Outlook to free up space. Staying organized can sometimes be a challenge, but with these easy-to-follow steps, you'll be on your way to creating more room in your mailbox while keeping your important emails accessible when you need them. To get started, open Outlook on your Windows desktop. If you find your Outlook becoming sluggish due to a filled inbox, archiving is a fantastic way to give it a new lease on life. Now that you have Outlook open, the next step is to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a sidebar with several options. This is where you'll find the tools you need for a mailbox cleanup. In the sidebar, look for the Tools option. It might take the form of Clean Up Old Items or be found under Info, where you can then select Tools followed by Clean Up Mailbox. Essentially, both routes will lead you to the same destination, so choose whichever option appears in your version of Outlook. Once you're in the cleanup area, you'll be presented with several archiving options. Here, choose Archive this folder and all subfolders. This selection ensures that not just your individual folder, but all its related subfolders will be archived too. This is especially helpful if you've nested folders within your inbox or any other main folder. Next, it's time to decide which specific folder you want to archive. It could be your inbox, sent items, or perhaps a special folder you've created for a particular project or client. Carefully select the folder you wish to organize and feel assured that all its contents, when archived, will be neatly tucked away. Afterward, you will need to set a cutoff date for archiving. This means that you'll be choosing a time frame to archive emails older than, say, 6 months. By selecting this, you're informing Outlook which emails to include in this archiving process, ensuring only the older, potentially less critical messages are archived while recent, active conversations remain in your main mailbox. Now you'll want to determine where to save this archive file. Click on Browse and choose a location on your computer or a connected storage device that is convenient for you. Remember, the saved archive will be a PST file, a format specific to Outlook, which you can re-access whenever necessary. Once you've set your preferences, click OK. And just like that, Outlook will begin to create the PST archive file and remove the selected emails from your active mailbox view. Though your emails are now archived, rest assured you can always reopen this file in Outlook should you ever need to refer back to those communications. Follow these steps and you'll find managing your Outlook space much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your emailing experience.